Good morning, guys. Market Muse here. Today's January 22nd, and it's a Friday. So let's take a quick look at the markets. All right, let's start off with SPY. So, where did we leave off last time? Take a look. So, I lost my voice yesterday, so apologies for no videos. But I left you with some updates on my Twitter and Instagram account. So, we were looking for this golden cross in the 4-hour, but possibly occurring. Then we were also looking at this wedge, basically an ending diagonal. And looking ahead, if this were to continue somehow to the very tip, which is unlikely, I would go into the 786 VIP resistance and also all of these resistances here. Basically this order block. Now let's take a look at what happened. Let's dive in deeper on this. So it looks like we broke out of our ending diagonal and we retested, broke down, retested, failed to come back above the trend line, and then failed. Now being held by the 50 moving average on the 1 hour, which is the same as this support zone right here. And what's interesting to note is that this entire move up, we've been making one diagonal after another, and we get a breakdown. And I'll show you what I mean. So let's mark this in this light blue. Okay, so if we go ahead and draw another diagonal here, you can see that we broke down, was held by the 50, and then moved up again. And we got some follow-up for continuation. Then we come here, and we do the same thing again. We drop down, come to the 50, manage to get back up above the 50, and then we made this wedge again, which turned into a bigger wedge. So now the question is this the very top, or is this going to happen again? Well, only time will tell. We can't really predict the future. We can only make best probability, quote-unquote, guesses to what's the market sentiment and where it's going to. So we did get that golden cross in the 4-hour, which is something to look at and kind of keep in the back of your heads, because this could propel the market to go higher, potentially. However, something to note is that we are starting to go in the negative on the 4-hour for the MACD. We just got a bear cross here after we pointed out these divergences. And now if you look at the RSI as well, we have a divergence up here. We have a lower high on the RSI, but you have a higher high on price. So that was signaling that there was a reversal coming. This as well. The entire move up from the bottom to the top, where we got a lower high on the CMF. And if you go on the daily, which is more important than the 4-hour, we don't get that divergence on the RSI. However, we are getting divergence on the MACD. We could potentially cross, but again, keep in mind that we could make the fake outs that we did here after those diagonals. So I pointed out here, here, and once more here. So is this going to be another one here? We're not sure. Something to just keep in mind. Now, this is also making your divergence a little bit right now. Now these patterns don't always play out on the indicators, but just keep this in mind right here, okay? Because it is potential that we get that, which could still give us a slight divergence, okay? So just keep that in mind. I'm gonna make that in yellow. So today, and what to do? Well, personally, I'm not gonna trade this. I'm still gonna wait for a true reversal. If you guys shorted this top based on this candle, you got lucky because it's a pin bar. It's not really a spinning top. But now, if we look at the weekly, since today's Friday, if we close like this on the weekly today, that I would not be in this market because you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 candles in a row. That this to me signals a slight reversal. Now, as far as targets, let's take a look. As far as targets, I can see us retracing down to the golden zone area just to retest it. And that's about the 50 moving average on the weekly, which should give us some support. And that's about this area here. So I am expecting to just be a bit of a shallow retracement. Since we are kind of bullish. All right, just something to note. All right, guys. If you have any other stock picks, I'm gonna make another video for equities. But if you have any other stock picks that you'd like me to take a look at, just to go over in the channel, just please comment below. If you have any suggestions or comments about the videos that you've seen so far, give me a thumbs up and give me a comment as well. I hope you found this video useful or informative. If so, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to support this channel and would like to see more upcoming videos, go ahead and subscribe so we can grow together. If you have suggestions for future video topics, please comment below. And I'll see you in the next one. Trade safely out there. Bye.